unveiling the secrets to prolonging your paint protection film's life. We all know the joy of cruising down the open road with a pristine, shiny vehicle. And if you've invested in a paint protection film, PPF, you've already taken a giant leap toward preserving that factory fresh finish. But, hey, let's talk about the unsung heroics of your PPF, maintaining its longevity. Why does maintenance matter? Let's get real. Life happens, and your car faces its fair share of challenges: road debris, bird droppings, bug splatter, the list goes on. The good news? Your PPF is there to take the beating, but it does need a little TLC to keep doing its job effectively. Gentle cleaning, no fuss. Imagine your car as royalty, and your PPF as its shield. Treat it with care. Use a mild automotive detergent and a soft sponge or microfiber cloth when washing your car. Harsh chemicals and abrasive materials are a no-go. They can compromise the protective film. Frequent rinse-offs, a quick shower for your ride. We get it, a full-on car wash isn't always feasible. That's where the power of a quick rinse comes in handy. Regularly spray down your car, especially after it's been on the receiving end of some serious road action. This helps clear away contaminants that can slowly degrade your PPF over time. Mind the sun. Park in the shade whenever possible. While your PPF is designed to tackle the sun's harmful rays, a little extra shade never hurt anyone. Whenever you can, park your car away from direct sunlight. This not only protects your PPF but also keeps your car's interior cool and comfortable. 4. No abrasive materials allowed. Choose wisely. When it comes to drying your car, opt for a soft, microfiber cloth. Say goodbye to those abrasive chamois towels. They can scratch and damage your PPF. Wax on, wax off, but be selective. While some PPFs are so shiny they practically sparkle, resist the urge to overdo it with the wax. Stick to a non-abrasive wax specifically designed for PPF, applied sparingly. This helps maintain that glossy finish without compromising the film's integrity. In conclusion, a little love goes a long way. Your car deserves the best, and your PPF is like its guardian angel. By following these simple maintenance tips, you're not just caring for your vehicle, you are extending the life of your PPF, ensuring it continues to shield your ride from the wear and tear of the road. So, go ahead, hit the road, and let your PPF do its thing, with a little extra love, of course.